Okay, i-invite mo po ulit lahat ng mga members and officers ng apps to witness the growing Manila Swimming Team sa March 21. We have 300 athletes, 27 teams all over Greater Manila area.
So thank you again. We are so excited and proud for this partnership. So we're looking forward to March 21 for the Growing Manila Swimming.
Thank you.
Growing is happy with the collaboration and we're looking forward to March 21 Manila Swimming and good luck to our athletes.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pag-ibig sa amin dito para makasama namin dito. Siguro hindi welcome din kayo sa March 25. March 20 ba natin sila? Yung March 25 kasi is water polo.
Yes.
And sa pag-uusap namin ni Mayor Scott, he will watch it.
Maraming mga pandesal doon.
Maraming pandesal kasi maglalaro ang mga pandesal boys. Nakilala na naman sila. So, invited lahat ng mga taga-NCR, sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin ng Southeast Asian Games. This is the time again to watch the Pandesal boys play together. Maraming salamat po at
Okay, thank you Mr. Darren Yonisa from Masco. Dave Bagisa and Darren and Ma'am Anita, Ma'am Vicky. So, maraming salamat po sa ating mga taga-suporta. Siyempre, papasalamat ang TAPS sa Philippine Sports Commission, sa Belus Person Cuisine at sa Pucanan dahil sila ang ating mga tagapagtaguhin. Next week po, magbabalik tayo and salamat sa inyong suporta. Thank you.